Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at the XDeep cargo pocket. So this is a pretty tough cargo pocket. It's got zippered closure, quite a lot of space on the inside for DSMBs or a backup mask. You've got an extra pouch on the front. Tough materials. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives in a nice cardboard box. XDeep logo on the front, logos on the side, and just barcodes on the back. Opening it up, trademark XDeep tissue paper, which is a nice little touch, and recyclable as well. We have the pouch itself. So decent sized pouch. You'll be able to fit a mask inside of that, I reckon. If I bellow it out, just so that you can see the sort of the true size of it, as it were. Yeah, lots of space on the inside. So on the front, we have XDeep logo, and this is that sort of raised plastic kind of logo. That's kind of cool. We have a stainless steel D-ring, nice and strong. It's like a 2-inch, and so that gives you an attachment point. Underneath the XDeep logo, you have a little Velcro pouch with a number 5 under it, and then a smallish pouch. So if you've got sort of bolt snaps or something, you can stow them inside. Little drainage grommet as well, so as you're getting out, it just allows the water to drain out. Material itself is a pretty tough nylon Cordura material, so that will sort of cope with quite a lot of abrasions and sort of rough and tough work. Around the sides, nothing to report. It kind of bellows quite nicely, so if you don't have stuff in it, you can see it's already like starting to sort of contract into itself. We've got XDeep sort of zipper tab. This is that sort of fabric kind of squidgy sort of tab, so you can get hold of that. Open up the zipper. And then on the inside, first of all, we have an anchor point, so a small sort of 1-inch stainless steel D-ring, so you can clip things off onto that. That way, when you open the pocket, if something falls out, it's still attached. You're not going to lose it. You've got a bit of daisy chaining on the inside, more of this sort of nylon webbing, so you can attach and sort of keep things organized on the inside. And then that's pretty much it. And then down at the bottom, of course, you have another drainage grommet, so so the water can drain out of the bottom. On the back, so this has a little bit of rigidity to it. There's like a piece of sort of plastic card behind there to keep its shape. We have a single piece of webbing going all the way down, and a few different sort of daisy chains in there. So a smallish one there, you wouldn't be able to get sort of 2 inches or a 2-inch webbing strap through that, but you would be able to get it underneath this section here, and then a third one down at the bottom. We have these sections of these sort of little plates, so you can thread your sort of waistband or wherever you're attaching this. You can thread it through there, and then that just kind of locks it in position. And that's the XDeep cargo pocket. A handy little storage place. You can attach this sort of almost anywhere where you've got a strap, and yeah, plenty of space on the inside. Nice and tough materials as well. Plenty of sort of quick attachment points. So if you need a bit of storage, you want to keep things nice and streamlined, then yeah, it's definitely worth checking out. There's going to be a link down in the description below, so you can check it out. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.